All right, my friends, we are chugging right along. You've got your cover photo created. You resized it so that it looks good on Facebook. We're not cutting off people's heads and chins. You got your click here to register on your photo. Now, this is very critical because there is real estate that very few people know about or even use when it comes to your personal and your professional pages on Facebook. So when people click on your cover photo, you can add descriptive information in here. So all you have to do, if yours is blank, is click on edit and then tell people what you want them to do. I'm going to cancel that, but tell them what you want them to do next. This information is so vital because, again, it leads people down your own personal yellow brick road. That's why I said you want to have a button or something on your page that says click here for details, click here to register, click here to learn more. And in this section, this valuable piece of real estate, tell them what to do next. Also, on your personal page, another valuable piece of real estate is under posts, and it's in the intro section. This is another opportunity for you to tell people what you do and who you serve, how you can help them. And as you can see, you can add a branded link in there as well. Doesn't have to be branded. You can just put any link in there. My personal branded link goes to my link tree, but this is another great piece of real estate. Now, there is a limit on the number of characters, so you want to be succinct in what you put there. In the about section of your Facebook page, just the basics, just the facts, right? This is the overview. If you want to add work and education, go right ahead. Places you've lived, that's general information, contact, and basic info. So my phone number is only visible to my friends. My location is only visible to me, as well as my email. Now, when it comes to my social links, again, this is where you want to tell people where to go. Don't send them to your website if you have one, because one, you don't want people to prejudge you if your website is for a company you represent in network or affiliate marketing. Two, even if your website represents you, if it's got too much information, people are going to get lost and they're not going to do anything. The whole point of websites and social links is to send people to a place that tells them what to do next. Even my YouTube channel, people go to my YouTube channel. On every video on my YouTube, in the description of the video, there's a link telling them what to do next. So again, use this sparingly. Don't send them to your website. Send them to pages where they can take action. Now, as far as my LinkedIn, again, this is just another place where I have a social presence. But on all my posts on LinkedIn, there's always call to actions telling them what to do next. And that's pretty much all you need to do on this page. I don't add family members. I don't know how my cousin got here. I always say in a relationship because that keeps the weirdos away. Details about you, I don't have anything in there. If your name is hard to pronounce, you might want to add a name pronunciation in here. And I don't do too much with life events. Again, let's keep it professional, people. Also, on your personal page, you've got this section here where you can edit featured. So this needs to be in story size. Story size, I believe, is 1920 by 1080. So it's 1920 high by 1080 wide, but you can add stuff in here in your edit features. So this is, again, another place where you can put information that people can see about you and how you can support them or help them with their business. Other than that, there's really not a whole lot that I do on my personal page. Now, I do pin posts occasionally. If you click on these three dots, you see this one is a pinned post, because when people land here, I want them to see this post. And I change this out about once a week or so for the pinned post. But most of the stuff that I post on my page is motivation, inspiration. So the rule of thumb is for every 2 motivational posts or inspirational posts, you can post once about your business. So if you figure every third day you're going to post about your business, you're going to average 2 business posts a week, and then everything else will be motivation, inspiration. It could also be testimonials. If you use testimonials, just don't talk about the name of the product. So for instance, say you are using a cleansing tea, which is what I'm doing right now. You may post on, hey, I found this really good cleansing tea that helps my gut health, but doesn't have me run into the bathroom. You want to build curiosity in your post. You don't want to be an online commercial for your company or your products. But again, you can talk about it without saying the name and give a testimonial on the benefits that you're getting from using a product, not the features, but the benefits. How is it helping you? Well, gut health is important, and none of us want to be stuck in the bathroom all day. So I hope you get the gist of it, and this helps you as you are building out or updating your personal page. And then the last thing I want to show you is these three dots right here. Make sure you've got your profile picture in here. I had this made with Fiverr. You know, in the previous video, I gave you 40 design dollars, so you can get a professional cover as well as a professional profile photo. But nonetheless, use Canva until you get that done. If you click on these three dots right here and click on View As, this is what your profile looks to the public. So depending on what you're watching this video, Facebook may have made some changes. Right now, they put the profile picture over here on the left. We talked about this in the first video to make sure that your words are not going to be covered by the profile photo. But Facebook is constantly making changes, so they may move it to the middle and they may move it to the right. Just be conscious of that. But this is how you can see what your page looks like to other people. So when people like you land on my page, this is what you see, right? So that is it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to get all about your business page and how you can do to your business page exactly what we've done here to your personal page. So go ahead and get your personal page set up, and I will see you in the next video where we're going to talk about your business page.